Hi, my name is Joanne. I'm 17 years old.
Hi, I'm Nisa. I have 2 kids and a loving husband.
My name is Josh, and I'm a programmer.
Hi everyone, my name is Huber, and I'm 65 years old.
Sometimes when I'm home alone, I like to play with the Wiser app and try all the functions on it, especially the TV function, because I love watching the TV.
I like to spend my time looking at the old pictures of myself and my little kids together when they were small. I used to take pictures of them and frame them on the wall. Instead of going through all the trouble to frame my pictures on the wall,
I can now personalize my AvatarOn switch to have different covers and even print my family pictures on it.
so cool.
There will be times whereby me and my husband will be very busy and we can't just get away with whatever we are doing. There was one time when there was a water leak in my house. But thankfully, the Wiser app sent me an alarm and I was able to immediately rush back home to fix the leak. It's so comforting to have the Wiser app. It gives me a peace of mind, especially when I'm always outside working.
For me, I spend most of my time in front of my computer and basically staying in my room for like maybe the whole day because of my work. So having a switch that I can carry around and turn on all the lights with is really convenient for me. And you know those people who accidentally leave all their lights on when they leave the house to meet their friends? Yeah, I'm one of those people. But thankfully, my Wiser app solves that problem for me because now I can control whether I want to leave my lights or aircon on from the app itself. So I don't have to worry anymore.
Even though I'm very old, but there is something very special I want to share with you through this app. Did you know this app has voice command enabled as well? Watch this.
Go ahead.
Life is on.
That's done.
Goodbye.
That's done.
You know when you're bored at home with nothing to do, I'll pretend to scare my younger siblings at night by turning off all the lights using this portable switch. But don't tell them, this will be our little secret.
I can now create a schedule that will turn on the aircon, the lights, and even to draw back the curtains when it's like 7 PM or whenever my kids come home. All from the Wiser app. But at the end of the day, nothing beats the comfort and safety of being home and spending time with my family.